Okay, so on to the first exercise. Now we're going to be looking at a chord changing exercise using common notes. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off with G, and my first finger is staying in the same place when I move to E minor. So my first finger is staying on fret 2 of my 5th string. So I move to E minor, tuck my second finger underneath, and then we're going to move to C, and this time my second finger is staying in the same place, and then I use my first and third fingers to make the C chord. And then finally we're going to move to A minor, and my third finger now tucks underneath my second one. So I've got G, keep my first finger where it is, E minor, keep my second finger where it is, C, and move my third finger, A minor. So what we're going to do is we're going to play, you're just going to play one strum for each chord to start with. I'm going to keep counting to 4, so you're going to put in one strum every 4 counts or every 4 beats. So it'd be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you start with me after 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. E minor, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. And A minor, 2, 3, 4. So we'll do exactly the same thing, but this time if you try and play one strum for each beat, so you're going to play each strum chord 4 times, like this. G, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4. So a tiny bit slower than that, and we'll try after 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, and C, 2, 3, 4, and A minor, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and on to the second exercise, and in this one we're looking at using notes on the same string when we change between chords. So for example, we're going from A, and my third finger staying on the same string when I move to D. I'm just sliding up to fret 3. And then when I move to E, my first finger's dropping down and fretting fret 1. So I've got A, shift my third finger up and play a D, and then shift my first finger down and play an E. So you're going to play along with me, the same as before, just one strum per chord to start with. I'm going to keep counting in 4s, but when we get to E, we're going to play what we call 2 bars of E, so you're going to play 2 strums. So we've got A, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4. So a little bit slower than that if you try with me after 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, slide up to D, 2, 3, slide down to E, 2, 3, and another E, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then this time exactly the same chord progression, but this time we'll just strum once for each beat. So we've got 4 strums per bar. So we've got A, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4. So if you just play along with me after 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4 to D, 2, 3, 4 to E, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2,